If you have several websites or apps, you'll want to add them as a new property to Google Analytics so you can start tracking them. So in this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can do that without touching a line of code. Welcome to Monster Insights, a better way to see your Google Analytics data, allowing you to focus on creating content that will help you grow your website and build your business. Be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. People often find it difficult to set up a new property in Google Analytics because it requires editing code. Now, this is where a WordPress plugin like Monster Insights comes in. You can easily set up analytics on your new property without ever touching a single line of code. So let's jump right in. Now, your Google Analytics profile is made up of 3 parts. That's your account, property, and the view. So let's take a second and look at each of these just a little closer. First, there's your account. Now, to access the analytics report, you'll need to have at least one account. Next, there's a property. And the property can be a website or a mobile app that you'd like to track in Google Analytics. And it has a unique tracking ID. And last is the view. A view is the access point for your reports. Within your property, you can have different views for seeing specific data. So for example, you can view only the data of a particular subdomain like blog.example.com or viewing only your Google Ads traffic. All right, now let's take a look at how to add a new property to Google Analytics. Now you can just follow these easy steps to add your website and you'll have it done in no time. First, you'll need to log into your Google Analytics account. Then select the website that you'd like to add as a new property. Now click on Admin in the left taskbar. And then click Create New Property. Okay, now on the next screen, you'll need to enter a property name. Then select your reporting time zone. And then choose the currency. Now you'll need to click Show Advanced Options. Then under the Advanced Options, you'll need to move the switch over to Enable Create a Universal Analytics Property. Okay, now you'll need to enter the URL of your website. Select Create a Universal Analytics Property only, and then click Next. Excellent. Now Google Analytics will ask you for your business information, so just select an industry from the drop-down menu, then choose the size of your business, and then check the options for how you're intending to use Google Analytics for your business. Now once you've finished entering the details, click Create. You're doing great. All right, now Google Analytics is going to ask you to enter a tracking code on your website, and if you're a beginner, that can be a little tricky. But don't worry, we're going to show you how you can take care of that without editing any code. Now, to set up Google Analytics tracking on the property that you've created, you'll need Monster Insights. Using Monster Insights, you won't have to touch a line of code or hire an expensive developer to do it for you. So to get started, just download and install the Monster Insights plugin. Now to do that, just log into your WordPress site and on the admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Plugins and then click Add New. Next, you'll need to type Monster Insights into the search bar. Now, once you've located it, just click Install Now. Once the plugin installs, click Activate. Next, you'll see the welcome screen, so you'll want to click the Launch the Wizard button. Now, just select the category that best describes your website, and then click Save and Continue. Then you'll need to connect Monster Insights to your website. Just click the Connect Monster Insights button. Now, once you've done that, choose the Google Analytics account that you use to create a new property in the very first step. Next, click Allow to give Monster Insights access to your Google Analytics account. Now you'll need to select your newly created property and click the Complete Connection button. You'll then see some recommended settings. For instance, you can select the file download tracking extension, set up affiliate link tracking, and choose which user roles can see the reports. Now once you're satisfied with the settings, just click Save and Continue. You're almost done. The wizard will then offer you some recommended add-ons. Now, if you want to use these add-ons to set up advanced tracking, then you can just upgrade to Monster Insights Pro. All right, now you'll need to click Save and Continue. Now, in the last step, simply click Finish Setup and Exit Wizard. And that's it. You're all set. Just remember that it can take a few hours for Google Analytics to start collecting data, and then it will show up on your reports. Monster Insights offers lots of other benefits in addition to analytics. With a Pro license, you can easily set up advanced tracking right out of the box without having to be an analytics expert. So for an example, with Monster Insights, you can set up affiliate link tracking, outbound links, file downloads, and much more. And Monster Insights makes tracking your e-commerce store, making your site GDPR compliant, and tracking your form conversions simple with its powerful add-ons. You might be wondering if purchasing a Pro license is really worth it. Now, if that's the case, then you'll definitely want to check out our video by clicking on the link on your screen now. Or you can read our detailed article at MonsterInsights.com. We'll leave a link in the description. Now we hope that this tutorial has helped you to add a new property to Google Analytics. Now why not join more than 2 million professionals using Monster Insights and instantly get the analytics that you need to grow your business. And to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, just click on one of the videos on your screen now.